All right, guys. So when it rains, it pours. My truck fatally breaks down, catastrophically breaks down, locks up on the highway on me. And my only car is my LS460. My wife, we bought the SRT for her, but this is what I drive right now on a daily basis. So I'm gonna take the battery out because the battery, I think, is dying. And I'm gonna go get a new one. And someone wanted to see it, so here it is. All right, so I got that cover off here, as you guys can see, and it's just those normal push clips. So you just get a screwdriver or something and push the center in, and then it unlocks it. It has two larger ones here that look like so. And then also the hood seal is attached. So I just moved it off to the side. You could take it off. I'm gonna have to re-put that pin on, but you can see that's the pin for the hood seal. And of course I just moved it to the side. I am now gonna get my 10 mil and take off the battery, hold down, and then unhook the battery as well. Now, what made me think my battery is going bad is the interior was beeping today, no lights on the dash. It could have been from my remote, but either way, it triggered me to find out what was going wrong. And I monitored my battery. When it's driving, it's charging okay, so it's like 14 volts. But when I'm at idle, when the battery is off, it's sitting at like anywhere from 11.9 to 12.1. So that leads me to believe that the alternator is doing its job. There's something internally wrong with the battery. Okay, so I just got the battery hold down out. It's just a channel, so obviously this part goes in and locks. It's nice, you only have to loosen one 10 mil nut right there, and then it loosens up the whole contraption here, and you just lift up and slide out of that channel right there. So pretty easy so far. All right, so it is out. It was a little bit of a challenge because this specific battery does not have a handle up top. And I'm trying to see if there's any markings on here of when it was replaced or anything like that. It's nice that it's OEM Lexus though. Might be the original battery. So yeah, it's crazy. She's out though. All right, guys, you basically just do the reversal of what I just told you, and that's how you install a battery. It's really quite simple, very easy to do. I ended up putting this one back in just because I tested it off the car and I was happy with the results. So I'm just gonna see if it was a loose connection. Maybe my alternator's starting to go. It does look original. Maybe it's not even an issue. So I'm just gonna drive it around and monitor it. But either way, now you know how to replace a battery. So that's all I got for you guys today. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Check out other videos on the channel. And if you like what you see, subscribe. All right, everybody. Peace.